Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, then my name is Shubhangi, and today's video is going to be a Flipkart haul video. I did order a couple of stuff from there, and the day before yesterday I did receive the products, and after going through all the levels of sanitization at my place, I finally do have them to show it to you. So without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. So the first thing that I ordered from them is actually a gift for my sister. It is actually their in-house brand, that is Flipkart Smart Buy. It is actually this, you can see. So nowadays, after all this lockdown thing, I don't actually see that the schools are reopening anytime soon, and kids to use those wire wala headphone and all, it's very, haphazard kind of thing ho jata hai, chaos ho jata hai. So I just ordered this for her. There are 3 buttons here: power on and off, volume up and down. So yes, and it comes with a beautiful leather finishing which makes it like very easy for her to wear. It doesn't irritate her a lot. Moving on, the next thing that I ordered is actually a watch from Titan. Again, it's a gift for her. I don't choose it. So it is in silver color, and the dial is very small and easy to use. I'll show you how it looks into the hand. Obviously it is very loose for me. I need to cut it out thoda sa, so that ये मेरी या मेरी बहन के कलाई में fit हो जाए. So yes, that was the second thing that I got. Moving on, the next thing that I ordered is this Sony ka headphones, wireless headphone. This is actually for me because my headphone was also gaya khatam. I mean, accidentally, I don't know what happened, but it isn't working. I mean, kata vata nahi hai, but still it wasn't. So I did order a new one for myself. So it does have this extra ear cushions in case if you lose, and there are four extra cushions, so just in case if you lose it or it comes out or whatever. And the actual product is like this. The earbuds are magnetic, and this is the controllable panel. On off hota hai, then obviously power on off, volume up, volume down. It also comes with its own charger ka belt. It is a type C charger, so yes. So the next product that I have is this Matrix Intense Smoothing Mask for smooth and straight hair. It retails for 575 rupees for 490 grams of product, and this accidentally matches my top. So anyways, I don't actually apply conditioner on my hair. I know it is frizzy, but conditioner doesn't suits my hair at all. And abhi tak I only used to use shampoo. So I did order this mask or spa cream, whatever you want to call it. I just will use it once in 15 days or something like that to tame my frizz, because the frizz here, honey, is getting uncontrollable. So yeah, that was my third or fourth, I've lost the count, sorry. So moving on, the next product that I have is this Pond's ka moisturizer. This is Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer for non-sticky glowing skin, which has hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E, and it retails for 299 rupees. So this is how the tub looks like. It, as you can see, it is pretty huge. I did order this in a small size initially, and I loved how it actually performed on my skin, and so I ordered the bigger tub. It is sealed, I haven't even opened it. So yes, it does have a beautiful texture. I must show you, wait, hold on. So I have opened it. It is in light blue color, if you can see. This much of product goes a long way, little goes a long way with this. Okay, it just gets absorbed into your skin like magic. I just love the fragrance of it. I just love how it feels on my skin. It is like seriously very non-greasy, and for us oily skin girls in summer, it becomes like a nightmare to apply a moisturizer, but obviously you need to apply a moisturizer. So yes, this suits my skin pretty well, so I got a huge size of it. Moving on, the next product that I have is actually a medicated cream for me. This is actually AD Mela TX cream. This is how the packaging looks like. This is how the carton looks like. It has SPF 15 in it, and it is used for melasma, lightening dark spot. That means I do have acne scars and it doesn't fades away so easily. So yes, I did have to order this, and it is ideal for, it also maintains your pH at the same time, 5.5 that is. And let me show you, this is how it comes in. It comes in a tube packaging. Okay, it is for 550 rupees, and it does have glycolic acid in it, glutathione, Dead Sea minerals, aloe vera extract, vitamin E. I mean, these are the very first ingredient that it has, and it is just amazing. It does lighten your scars. That at least it does wonders for my skin. I obviously cannot guarantee you because it is a medicated cream for me and I am no dermatologist. So obviously you need to consult your doctor before using this once. So the last item that I ordered for myself was a much needed item. Actually, I wanted to order this one product since the beginning of lockdown, but एक product के लिए अब इतना कुछ order कर नहीं सकती थी because others were not in need to be specific. I mean, those aren't my essentials at any cost, but this was. I don't even remember if any summer I haven't used this. This is tea tree oil, and this time I got tea tree oil of Organic Mantra, and it comes for 15 ml and 399 rupees. यहाँ पे printed है, but 100% I got it in discount and it was no more than 150 rupees for sure. This is how it looks like. It is a small cute glass packaging. It has a dropper inside it. So tea tree oil is an antibacterial oil, and it is very effective for acne prone skin. I do like to mix it 1 or 2 drops with my moisturizer and use it, or if I'm making a Multani Mitti face pack, I do like to put 2 or 3 drops of it, so that it does gives you a cooling sensation and also prevents acne, and I just cannot do without that product. I mean, that definitely is my essential. So yes. So with that, I do finish my Flipkart haul that I got. So if you did like my video, then please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Do hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.